You think darkness is your ally? The shadows will betray you because they'll always crease. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we have up for review is the Jordan 10 Dark Shadow. The Jordan 10 Shadow is an OG colorway, and it hasn't been released in OG form since 1995. There was the CDP Jordan 10, the Countdown Pack 10, which had the 23 on the ankle collar, but the actual original release like this hasn't been seen since 1995. They should bring some more original Jordan 10s back, like the City Pack. Bring back the City Pack, Jordan brand. We want the City Pack. You're bringing back the Orlando. We also need the Supersonics and the Sacramento pair. We don't want another pair of Chicagos. We already have those. Let's take a look at the box. The box is actually the Air Jordan 10 box, the OG box. Now, I like how Nike is bringing back a lot of their classic boxes. That's a nice touch. It's got the Air Jordan name logo that's also seen on the tongue of the Jordan 7, and it's got the Jumpman logo in the middle. There's nothing else on the box except for the Nike Air logo right here, and the color code on the shoe is Dark Shadow, Black, and True Red. Let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a shadow upper, and this is suede, and I think this is some pretty decent suede. It's not amazing knock it out the park suede, but it is decent suede nonetheless. I'm at least satisfied with the suede. That's what I'll say. Also, you've got a black tumble leather overlay extending from the midfoot over to by the heel, and you also have a tumble leather overlay that kind of borders the tongue. Taking a look at the tongue, you've got the stretchy tongue, little tongue tabs with the aforementioned black overlays kind of bordering around it, and the classic Air Jordan 23 logo on the tongue. On the inside of the tongue, you've also got the classic Jordan 10 retro collection logo that's been used since the Chicago was brought back in 2012 for the Jordan 10. Also, you've got the sock liner, and the sock liner is actually a really nice padded sock liner. The design is actually pretty decent quality. I'm impressed. On the insole, you've also got the Nike Air logo. Taking a look at the heel, you still have the shadow suede wrapping all around the shoe, as well as the True Red Jumpman. Also, you've got the black pull tab. Looking at the medial, you have the overlay panel that I was talking about that extends from the midfoot to the heel, as well as the suede and the tumble leather overlays. The shoe has a black midsole with the outsole that has the Jordan accomplishments from 1985 when he won a Rookie of Year to 1994, which was when he actually retired. He retired in 93, but the last one is 94 and beyond. Overall, it's a dope shoe. The quality on it is actually pretty good. They've been doing pretty well with the Jordan 10 remasters, to be honest, but yeah, this is just another solid quality shoe. And the shadow colorway is a nice welcome back for the Jordan 10. Now, like I said before, we need the City Pack. Bring back the rest of the City Pack. Again, I know the Orlando pack is coming later this year, but we need the rest of the pack. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe. Catch you after the jump. The Jordan 10 Dark Shadow will hit Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $190. And the shoe was originally supposed to drop on April 21st, but now it's dropping on April 20th. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.